Hello and welcome to TVC News this hour. I am Ikechukwu Obieno. We begin in the health sector as the Federal Ministry of Health and Social Welfare is partnering non-profit organizations to launch a nationwide salt reduction campaign targeting some of the busiest markets in the Federal Capital Territory. Our correspondent Kemi Balogun reports.
This is the Yanya Market, one of Abuja's biggest commercial hubs. Health officials, entertainers and volunteers have converged for a new kind of outreach to teach Nigerians about the dangers of excessive salt. Nkiruka owns a restaurant just a few meters away from this popular market. She tells us her experience when cooking for her customers.
Of issue with that into cooking, if you did not put salt for soup, it will not give you. And even if when you say, okay, let me reduce, as now that I have here, do you understand? Let me reduce. Some customer when they come, they will say, hey, there's no salt, madam, give me, help me with raw salt. Sometimes I used to advise them that it's not good. Why can't you eat it like that, even if there is no salt? There's normal, human being, you cannot force them.
This initiative, launching across some key markets, is part of a nationwide strategy to curb high blood pressure, a condition affecting millions of Nigerians. According to the Federal Ministry of Health, many Nigerians consume far more salt than the recommended 5 grams a day. This overconsumption is a major driver of hypertension, stroke, and heart disease. Tests and checks are being done for residents here to ensure they are not at risk.
Under 40 are beginning to have high blood pressure. People under 40 are beginning to have heart failure. People under 40 are beginning to have ventricular heart diseases. People under 40 are beginning to source for kidney transplant. When we talk about diet, it's not just you put yam and this together. The condiments, the ingredient that you use, even in the preparation of the amount, the quantity.
I welcome them into my market for them to educate the traders and the buyers, for them to know that too much of salt intake is not good.
The campaign aims to make health education fun and accessible with help from Nigeria's national guideline for sodium reduction. Organizers say this market-to-market approach is designed to spark important conversations.
We are educating the public in whole to reduce their salt intake, and then there are alternatives to spices, to seasoning, to salt. Alternatives like garlic, ginger, turmeric, we have cinnamon, we have bay leaves. A lot of stuff that you can find in the market.
The salt reduction campaign will continue across the FCT this month with plans to expand to other states. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.